Have you ever wondered what hidden treasures might be lying just beneath your feet? A good metal detector can open a whole new world of possibilities. Whether you're looking for coins, relics, jewelry, or even valuable metals, at crediblepick, we've made it our mission to help you find the best budget-friendly metal detectors for 2025. These devices can transform a casual day of outdoors into an exciting treasure hunt. Metal detectors have become essential tools for hobbyists and serious treasure hunters alike, offering the ability to uncover history and hidden valuables that would otherwise remain lost. Whether you're scanning beaches, parks, or old homesteads, having the right detector can make all the difference. After testing over 25 models, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 picks that offer excellent performance without breaking the bank. Each one brings its own strengths, from easy-to-use features for beginners to advanced functions for more seasoned hunters. Make sure to check the links in the description below for more details on each product. Stick around as we take you through the top models that could help you find your next big discovery. Starting at number 5, Sunpow Metal Detector. Discover the joys of treasure hunting with a Sunpow Metal Detector, a versatile tool designed for enthusiasts of all levels. This detector stands out with its impressive depth detection, capable of finding objects buried up to 8 inches deep, making it ideal for hunting on beaches, old home sites, and parks. One of the Sunpow's defining features is its adjustable sensitivity and discrimination controls. These settings allow you to fine-tune the detector's responsiveness, helping you differentiate between valuable items like coins and jewelry and common trash items such as bottle caps and foil wrappers. Its large, waterproof search coil enhances its effectiveness in various terrains, especially in wet conditions, ensuring that neither rain nor puddles will slow down your adventure. The ergonomic design of the Sunpow Metal Detector ensures comfort during prolonged use. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and its adjustable stem fits users of different heights. The intuitive control panel is user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners while still offering the precision that more experienced detectorists appreciate. Features: deep target detection up to 8 inches, adjustable sensitivity and discrimination controls, large waterproof search coil suitable for all terrains, ergonomic design for comfortable, prolonged use, user-friendly control panel suitable for all skill levels. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned hunter, the Sunpow Metal Detector is your reliable companion for uncovering hidden treasures wherever they may lie. Now, number 4. Minelab Vanquish 440, raising the bar for budget-friendly treasure hunting. The Minelab Vanquish 440 is a standout with its multi-frequency functionality. Unlike typical entry-level detectors that operate on a single frequency, this model uses multiple frequencies simultaneously, enhancing its ability to discern between various metals and effectively filter out undesirables like steel objects and iron-rich soils. Although positioned as an entry-level option, its multi-frequency feature is usually found in more expensive units, providing substantial value. The Vanquish 440 proves particularly useful in environments loaded with trash, such as beaches or old battlefields, where its precision can shine. This model is designed for ease of use, with preset modes tailored to different targets such as coins, relics, or jewelry, making it versatile across different hunting conditions. Physically, it's built tough, yet remains user-friendly with a straightforward interface and a comfortable grip suitable for extended searching sessions. It runs on AA batteries, offering convenience, especially if you use rechargeable ones. Though not fully waterproof, its search coil and pole are water-resistant, adequate for cautious use near water bodies. Despite some limitations in distinguishing materials as clearly as some might hope, the Vanquish 440's robust features make it a worthy investment for enthusiasts eager to explore metal detecting without a hefty price tag. Now, number 3, Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker. Embark on your treasure hunting adventure with the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker. Designed to excel in various conditions, from mineralized soil to wet beach sand, ideal for both newcomers and experienced enthusiasts. This metal detector simplifies the search with its automatic ground balance and discrimination modes, allowing you to focus more on discovering valuable items and less on adjusting settings. The pinpoint mode is a standout feature, enhancing your ability to accurately locate and recover treasures. Equipped to find a variety of metal objects, including coins, jewelry, and relics, this model is known for its robust design, capable of handling harsh environments with ease. Features built-in automatic ground balance and discrimination modes that streamline the detection process. Pinpoint mode for precise targeting and retrieval of buried treasures. Durable construction, perfect for all-terrain use. Effective for detecting a wide range of metal objects. Whether you're starting a new hobby or continuing a passion for metal detecting, the Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker offers the features and durability needed to support your adventure and help you uncover hidden gems. Now, number 2, Fisher F22. Explore the possibilities of treasure hunting with the Fisher F22, a metal detector that's as intuitive as it is proficient. Designed for enthusiasts of all skill levels, this device is especially appealing for its user-friendly interface and versatile features. Equipped with automatic ground balance, the F22 adjusts to different soil conditions, enhancing its detection capabilities without manual intervention. Its waterproof search coil allows you to venture into damp environments, ensuring that not even a rainy day can stop your quest for hidden treasures. One of the standout attributes of the Fisher F22 is its visual display indicator, VDI, with precise target identification numbers. This feature offers a clear, easy-to-read display that aids in distinguishing between various metals. Whether it's iron, gold, or a historical relic, the VDI provides numbers from 1 to 99, giving you a detailed understanding of what lies beneath the soil. Features automatic ground balance for optimal performance in diverse terrains, waterproof search coil, perfect for all-weather use, VDI with precise target identification numbers for accurate detection. Lightweight and easy to operate, ideal for beginners, the Fisher F22 is equipped with a 9-inch concentric coil, sensitive enough to detect small targets while providing ample ground coverage. Whether you're searching for coins, jewelry, or relics, the F22 is a dependable tool that promises exciting and fruitful metal detection adventures. Now, number 1, Garrett Ace 300 Metal Detector. Unleash your inner treasure hunter with a Garrett Ace 300, a robust device that brings technology and convenience together for enthusiasts of all levels. Known for its reliability and effectiveness, the Ace 300 is a solid choice. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned detectorist looking for a dependable backup, the Garrett Ace 300 enhances your searching capability with 4 adjustable sensitivity levels, allowing you to fine-tune the device based on ground conditions. This flexibility is complemented by 3 search modes that help you target specific kinds of metal or treasure, making your hunts more productive and enjoyable. Its lightweight frame is designed for comfort, enabling long sessions of searching without fatigue. Features 4 sensitivity levels to adapt to various environments, 3 tailored search modes for efficient treasure hunting, lightweight design for extended use without discomfort, present ground balancing and discrimination modes to streamline your search. Target ID indicator for rapid identification of objects beneath the surface, ideal for locating everything from coins and jewelry to relics and larger gold nuggets. The Garrett Ace 300 offers a comprehensive set of features that makes it a standout choice. Whether you're sweeping your local beach or an old battlefield, this metal detector promises to be your reliable partner in uncovering hidden gems. That wraps up our list of the best budget metal detectors for 2025. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, we hope this guide helps you find the perfect match for your treasure hunting adventures. From models built for ease of use to those with advanced features, there's something for every detectorist here. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more top product picks, tips, and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.